And you spin it. And you can get it. Oh, you spin the red? Yeah, you can spin it. So it's literally just. It's not the red one again.
Let me go.
Okay.
Wait, what do you want? What do you want?
Red.
Red? Okay.
Okay, I got the.
Which one did you get?
Oh, that's almost not bad.
Okay, it's the same one I got, not bad.
I'll take it.
Ooh.
Good fortune.
Do we keep the stick? No, you put it back.
Yeah, put it back in the same box. Wait, Josh, what are you doing? Put it in the left one. Bro, this guy is trolling.
Time.
He's good. Oh? It's invalid, I think. Oh? Why does it not count? Oh? Oh, yeah. Oh, that's solid. Oh. Oh my. Yeah. Okay. Oh, he already beat us. Oh. Oh, that was a good one. It's Jover. Oh, that's true. I think when you pull on it too much, it like detects an error. Try to find the sound you know. Wait. Whoa. Yo, you're right there though.
That's not getting the ball.
Oh my god. That might have been the worst possible move. Wait.
No, it's not happening. Way too bad.
You just put it in the holdings.
Oh. I like putting it in the hole. What?
Or notice suspicious looking people.
Unless? Wait. This might be it. Wow, bonito place. Is this spiky? Nice. He's looking at my camera. Hello. So. That kills me. Right here. I stepped my foot. Position.
Just like you, the
Like ever since we left Capybara Cafe.
oh, wow. Giving me like a bill. Keeps giving me tools.
Hey, it's useful here. Let's see what I got. Good over. Which one do you want?
I like any of the twos.
Alright.
I don't think I have a two.
I think you got the B.
I kind of like this one.
That's not bad. That's just good. Oh! Wait. Wait, that was clean. That was clean. Do you see that? Yeah. Let's go. That's so cute. Nice. Well. Next. I'm assuming we're the boy. Wait, did we just lose? Oh, wait. This guy's hacking. This is the one. I actually feel this one. Third time's a charm. Okay, you just have to catch a fish. How hard can that be? Oh my. Yes! That has to be a win. Let's go. Wait, where did we get it? Oh, it's on top? Oh, nice. Let's see what's inside. Open it.
Detective Conan.
Oh, is it actually?
It's X. Kura Sushi.
I never watched, I don't know.